So if you're utilizing your Mohs pick test correctly, it's going to be somewhere between a 6 or a 7 on a medium to hard concrete slab. So then it kind of comes down to, well, what diamond should we use? Well, always follow the chart from your manufacturer. But if you look at this Lavina single button gray, this is for a medium bond concrete. So I would always recommend that you start with a medium bond. But more importantly, once you start grinding, see what the diamond is actually doing to the floor. Don't grind the whole entire floor and realize you barely did anything. So if you start off with a bond, say a medium, and it's not cutting within the first 10 to 20 seconds, or maybe it starts heating up and glazing over, you need to go to a softer bond. So in this case for Lavina, you'd be moving from a gray to a red. And you notice they're both single buttons. Why? Because anything over a 5, you should be using a single button and not a double button or a double bar. So if you're borderline on what bond to use, start with the one that your Mohs pickness tells you to, and if it's not cutting correctly, move up one bond, and then your chances are you're going to move your machine faster, increase your production rate, and actually save money.